How to log out of Fiverr account. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can quickly and easily log out of Fiverr. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Fiverr and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to log out of. And then from here, you can head over to the more section at the bottom right corner. Once you land on this more page, what you're going to have to do is tap on the settings menu and head over to your settings. Once landed on the settings page, as you can see here, there is no active option to log out. So the first thing you can do is simply tap on your account section and then deactivate your account. This is the first method that you can do, and you can log back in after entering your phone number and the code, and your account will be reactivated again. The other thing that you can do is clear out Viber's data from your phone. Doing that will automatically log you out, but before you do that, you just have to make sure that there is a high chance of getting your chats deleted, so you just want to have to back up your chats. So connect any Google account here for backup, and then as you can see, the backup has been now complete. So after doing this, you can go back, and then from here, long press on the Viber app and then click on the info icon, and then from here head over to storage and then click on clear all data. And after doing this, you should be able to log out of Viber and log back into another account. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.